Hey guys, another evening, another lock. This time will be a dome. Come on, here you go. A dome dimple lock that was sent to me by E4Can from Ireland. Originally this lock was put out in the field by, I think, Adrian, and finally I got my hands on a dome. I've been wanting one for quite a while now. So there are 5 pins and an interactive element. I had to pick it. I have picked it, and I have to tell you, this is a badass lock, I would have to say. So I'm gonna clamp it up and get right to picking. See you in a moment. So all clamped up, the lock works freely, and let's get to picking. As I said, this is a nasty piece of technology and it does require some time. But let's get cracking. So pin number 2 is set, or at least I heard a distinctive click that said I'm set. 3 gave away a little bit. That was 2 again. And then I got some rotation on the core, finally. So let's have a look. Number 1 is... Ooh, that was a very deep set. Okay, I think everybody else is set. Let's see if I can press the interactive element. Maybe, just maybe, the lock is actually open. So I have not clamped it that good. So shape is not helping much. And here we go, pressing the interactive element. Phew, that was, I think, the fastest that I have opened this lock, thank God. But believe me guys, this lock is just not easy. Okay, so I didn't think that I would get it that fast. Let me get my pinning tray and well, let me get it. Well, I can afford to actually lock it because I have the key for this one.
Now let's do the trick. Okay. So, key goes inside. Pins are on the top. So here, and then
We push everything out and hope nothing fucks up. Oh, something fucked up. So okay, I see my mistake. Okay, that was not accounted for. That was on chamber number 4, I guess. Oops. Sorry guys, I really made a mess of this thing. Oh well, I will figure out how to put it back together. I don't think that's the biggest problem. So let's see what's on the top. This should be 1, 2, and 3, I guess. There's something interesting here. Let's see. So pin number 5. Pin number. Actually, this one's here, and this one is here, and this one is here. Adrian, you devil. And come on, you. Okay. So that's the core. Nothing special about it. There are some anti-drill bits here, I take it. Some more pins for added security on the side, but I think they're inactive. And they're passive, exactly. So these two are passive, they're not active ones. On the inside, here inside I can see where the active element is. I think you can also make it out. So this thing here on the side, that's I guess where the active element maybe is pushing, and on the core, well, I actually don't know. I'll have a look in details later. Okay, enough chit chat from my side. Let me show you the actual pins. I think that's what you're here for. So let's have a look. These are the serrations and spools. That's one of the bolts, but these are some mighty nice looking pins. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Keep it legal, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers. Hey guys, just an addendum to the video, because I do really think that you need to see this. It's two of these pins. I'm just literally, I am amazed. I have never ever seen such a thing before. So let me get something that maybe you can have a closer look on. This pin here, that's the pin I'm speaking of. If you see, this is not a static pin. These are rings, and they actually move. So this is something that I've never seen, and I am totally amazed, honestly. So I just wanted to show you this, because this is something that is really crazy, but I do love it. Okay, then I really see you in the next video. Cheers.